Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am back with another hair video, but in this video I am going to show a little thing on how I get this knotless braids done. Not a professional over here, but we have to try something now. Come now, we can try something. All right, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like, comment and share. And that is the end of the hairstyle, y'all. It is knotless braids with beads at the end. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to comment, tell me where I made mistake, because I would say definitely this is my first time doing a whole head of knotless braids. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you all so very much for watching. Okay, thanks.